Adventurers, what do you get when you mix Arizona sunshine, a surprise snowstorm, Lego ninjas, and indoor skydiving?
You get us, living our best life on the road, dodging weather warnings, rocking bumper boats, and making up our own routines because we're busy having way too much fun. Yep, the holidays are officially over, and we said our goodbyes to Grandma and Grandpa and hit the road again. Next stop, Overgard, Arizona.
We left southern Arizona in shorts and sunglasses.
And rolled right into a blizzard. Like literally road closure, the snowplows can't even get up there yet, kinda blizzard. Since the road was closed, we decided to go get dinner, and then we checked back one last time before trying to find a hotel for the night. Luckily, the cops were just pulling away as we arrived, and they said we could go through, but to make sure we drive carefully.
And we did. The roads were bad, but thanks to four-wheel drive and a slow, steady hand, we made it safe and sound.
Yep, we made it to our timeshare at Bison Ranch, thanks to a last call deal, and this place was really nice. And from our window, we could see a hot tub just beyond the snow-covered pool. And yes, you know what that means.
The return of the hot tub challenge. Picture this, snow angels, frozen toes, then diving into the steamy tub. We may have forgotten the GoPro, but trust us, it was legendary.
Seriously, why do we always forget the camera when we're doing something insane? While there, we also reserved the movie room one night for a cozy family movie night with a dog's purpose, complete with beanbags, popcorn, and blankets. It was adorable, and the girls were in heaven.
We also enjoyed the game room with hot chocolate and a serious Jenga showdown. We played small at first, but then brought out the big guns. Giant Jenga. Bring it on.
After our chilly week in Overgard, we headed back to the warmth of Carlsbad, California, and checked into the gorgeous Marbarisa Resort, right next to Legoland.
I don't mean close, like down the street. I mean we shared a fence with Legoland and had our own special gate, VIP vibes only.
Legoland was celebrating its 25th birthday, and it brought back memories of when we first visited years ago when the two older girls were little. Aren't they adorable? Good times. This time we rode on tons of rides, got locked up, ran wild in giant forts, posed with lots of Lego statues and things. Checked out a little castle, tried to help a Lego pig escape his locked cage, trained at the training camp, walked through the little Lego townscape that was like traveling all over the world without even leaving Legoland. and went underwater in a real submarine. Look at all those fish.
Oh, look at a big, huge stingray.
Oh, holy moly, look at that.
Look at that big one by the shark.
Ooh, there's the shark.
Kylie drove a little remote-controlled boat around to explore within the water part of the townscape. The girls spun on spinny chairs, showed off their best ninja poses with an actual live Lego ninja, completed Lego driving school, and were given a license. Watch out, world. And drove bumper boats.
Looks so exciting. And don't forget the chopstick challenge at the Chinese food place. Kylie ate like a pro. And then, just like that, we went from one theme park to another, Prosperity Camp, hosted by our awesome friend and mentor, Greg Reed.
And this is where the greatest minds in the world gather to talk innovation, wealth, and world-changing ideas. And then hit the arcade like it's a middle school birthday party.
The girls were all in. Day 1, arcade frenzy. After the masterminding on day 2, indoor skydiving. We floated, we flipped, we laughed, and we may have even screamed a little.
And what better way to follow up skydiving than posing with the angel wings? You guys are total posers and proud of it.
So what did we cover in just a couple weeks? Drove through a blizzard, carefully. Snow angeled and jumped into the hot tub like maniacs. Rode submarines and bumper boats at Legoland. Got smarter at Prosperity Camp. And floated on air, literally.
We also drank too much hot chocolate, forgot the GoPro again, and probably broke a few Jenga rules. But hey, that's just another week with the Adventurepreneurs.
So, any guesses where we're heading next?
Drop your guesses in the comments and smash that like button if you jump in a hot tub in the snow. And make sure to subscribe so you don't miss what's coming up next.
Adventurepreneurs out.